do you have?
Orange balls.
Mm. Hey moms, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today is the 5th day and the last day of the school week. So far we've survived the first week of our homeschool. So today I'm just gonna share with you some tips, especially if you're a busy mom, tips on how you can homeschool and do your work, do your house chores. Just some tips that helped me also, because it's very important. These things are very important, or else we are gonna be all over the place. So first is to make a lesson plan. So this is also one of the This is also one of the things that our homeschool provider encourages us to do, is to make a lesson plan. So this is what I did during the lockdown. Before we start our school year, I laid out our lesson plan for the year, and I based it based on the books. But since, like I've said before in my previous videos, that our books are not yet complete, whatever it is that I have and whatever it is that I thought of teaching my kids, it could be reviews from your last school year. I was able to make a lesson plan. I don't do it for the whole year because it's gonna take time, a lot of time. So you can do it by month or by week. But I think I would recommend just do a monthly lesson plan and adjust your lesson plan accordingly. So this is our lesson plan for this school year. Here I have the subjects and the date here of the weeks. Here the subjects color-coded, and at the bottom I have here my son's topics, and then I put some notes at the bottom, and when we're done for the day I highlight it. So this week we're done, I highlight the whole column so I know that we're done here. So we move on to the next week. Next is to prepare what you need. You prepare the materials that you need weekly, so that you won't have to go and look for them all over the place when you start your school time. What I do is I try to review whatever it is that I need to discuss or to teach the kids daily. So for the next day, I would review today what I would do tomorrow, and just a quick review. I feel like it saves time. You don't have to read, or you don't have to prepare, you don't have to recall things again. Just try to review them the day before. I also suggest that you put a clock in your homeschool area so that it serves as a guide for you, so you know if you are on track, if you are late, or if you need to do something else. Just have a clock or your phone beside you so you know that time. I feel like it's a very important thing for us because it guides me, like, okay, I need to move on, I need to do the next activity, and I need to do the next subject. And also, if ever the kids want to request something, they want to have a timeout, they want to take a rest to play, I'll know if I can give them if I can give in to their request. So yeah, just have a clock, or time everything, or just be aware of the time. I get most of my ideas and inspirations online, but it's not all the time that I have the materials they used, or it's not all the time that I can follow those activities that I find online. So I highly would suggest that you just make use of what you have at home. You get your ideas, you get your inspirations online, and then you just tweak them to suit your environment, to suit whatever it is that you have at home. So that's what I usually do. And if there's things that I feel like we'll be able to use that are gonna be important for our learning, then that's the time that I look and buy and get those materials for us. These are the cubes. So a lot of activities are so there. I don't know.
Wait, everyone.
I don't know how to call it. There are a lot of activities, templates that uses these snap cubes. So I feel like, especially for math, my kids will be able to use it, and also it's like a toy that they can play with. So I got us a set. Yeah. Another tip is to have a routine. I feel like it's very helpful for us when we have a routine. So we start our day by doing an exercise, and then I would ask my daughter to read the calendar to tell me what day it is today, and then she would look at the calendar and see the subjects, the lessons that we are gonna have for the day. And then we would start our class. So that's our routine. Lastly is just to be a little bit flexible. You have your plan, you have your schedule, but be flexible as well. It helps that you don't try to cram everything and try to just finish everything for the sake of finishing everything. So sometimes if we are not yet finished, I do it in the afternoon. I try to do all our homeschooling in the morning, but if it's really busy for us that day, it's okay to continue it in the afternoon or at night before we sleep. So just be flexible. The important thing is your kids are learning and they are having fun. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, can you tell me about your drawing?
This is the little wings, and this is the airplane that flew down. This is the sun, and this is the box.
The box of what?
From the one who is carrying this.
Yeah, but what's the box for? Like, what is it?
For the sheep.
Ah, where the sheep is.